Purchasing an Apple gift card using PayPal is a straightforward process. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to accomplish this. Start by visiting the Apple website at apple.com. Once there, locate and click on the Buy button prominently displayed on the screen. You'll then be presented with various options. Choose how you'd like to send the gift card, select a design, and decide on the amount. Next, provide the recipient's details, including their name and email address, as well as your own information. Additionally, you can include a personalized message if desired. After entering all the necessary information, scroll down and click on the Add to Bag button. This will display a summary of your purchase. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the checkout option. You may then choose to continue as a guest. At checkout, you'll be given the option to pay with either a credit debit card or PayPal. Select the PayPal option and click on the Continue or Review button to finalize the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully purchased an Apple gift card using PayPal.